Hello everybody, today I want to show something a lot of people said to me, Pasquale, why when I make a sauce, I open the tomato paste, I use one time, after I want to use it again after 3 or 4 days, 5 days, what it is, I keep it in the refrigerator, and when I look, it don't look good no more. Now I want to show, like everybody asks me, the way I do. I use it today, I can use it maybe next month again. And we show the everybody. Now I got a brand new canned tomato paste over here. I want to open up.
Thank you for the start, Diane.
Thank you so much. I open this. Take the top off. Make sure to clean up. You don't gotta throw away this. You put everything back over here. Okay, now we got the tray over here. That's this one. And what I do like this. I take a spoon.
Thank you, Colleen, for the stars.
And we put it right inside over here like this. You know, with a spoon, it help you to fill it up the rest over here. A happy holiday, everybody. And thank you so much for the star.
Thanks, Pam. She's already doing like that.
She do? Good.
Yeah, good.
A lot of people ask me, I want to show, you know, somebody already did it. It's really good. Okay.
Yeah, you can use for Bloody Mary if you like. Yeah, that's a cool idea.
Okay, you fix a little bit to put it down.
No, you didn't spray the tray, no?
No, the tray no spray. It come out, I show. Okay, we leave this over here.
No, it doesn't do stain, no.
Okay, now I want to clean up a little bit.
Thank you, Joshua, for the stars.
I clean up all the way around the tomato paste. Okay. Now I got this paper.
Thank you, Jessica, for the
I
stars.
put it right on the top over here.
And Carrie.
And I got this. And
Thank you, Tina, for the stars.
I want to seal the keep a little bit more. But he make a little ice on the top. You can scrape. It's okay. You scrape that little ice you got on the top. And this we put it right over here. And this it can go on the freeze.
Thank you, Christopher, for the stars.
Now I got a plastic bag over here. This it can freeze. And what you do now, I'll pick it up.
Well, it's like overnight. It's frozen.
I take this out, like I say, I put this paper on the top. And see, got a little ice, it's okay. It's not really bad.
Thank you, Amanda, for the
tray
stars.
And you twist the tray.
Susan, thank you everyone for the stars.
Okay, now we got the plastic bag.
Thank you, Diana. Thank you, Claudia.
Look, you don't need the spray, no oil, nothing. I know what's a spray not. This it come like that. Now, you fill it up the bag like this. You make sure to take the air out
Thank you, Doreen.
like this. And what do you zip? And when you want this, you take one or you take two for the freeze. It never go bad. You can keep it for 1 year how long you want. It's really, really good. Ain't no go bad. Now this one, you gotta go in the freeze. And I do the same thing like I did this one. It go on the freeze. This. Okay. It's easy. The dough, this it can help everybody. A lot of people say, Pasquale, I open one time I use, after I got it all away, it come out the white like mildew on the top. Do like this, you use, put in the freeze, put in a plastic bag, that's it. It's everything done. Happy holiday, and we see you next time. Thank you so much, and thank you for your support, and thank you for the stuff. Thank you.